Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I see a cat. Again. I see a cat. Your turn to read, children. I see a bed. Again. I see a bed. Your turn to read, children. I see an ant. Again. I see an ant. Your turn to read, children. I see a hat. Again. I see a hat. Your turn to read, children. I see a bee. Again. I see a bee. Your turn to read, children. I see a fox. Again. I see a fox. Your turn to read, children. I see an elf. Again. I see an elf. Your turn to read, children. I see a dog. Again. I see a dog. Your turn to read, children. I see a rat. Again. I see a rat. Your turn to read, children. I see a map. Again. I see a map. Your turn to read, children. I see an egg. Again. I see an egg. Your turn to read, children. I see a pig. Again. I see a pig. Your turn to read, children. I see a cow. Again. I see a cow. Your turn to read, children. I see a hen. Again. I see a hen. Your turn to read, children. I see an owl. Again. I see an owl. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. I see a cat. I see a bed. I see an ant. I see a hat. I see a bee. I see a fox. I see an elf. I see a dog. I see a rat. I see a map. I see an egg. I see a pig. I see a cow. I see a hen. I see an owl. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.